Craftstrom, the first true plug-and-play solar kits. Each 200-watt panel comes with two MC4 connectors and 6 eyelets all the way around for secure mounting. The panel is very flexible and can be securely mounted to just about any surface. We're going to chain two 200-watt panels to each other with the inner leads, and the outer leads will plug into the inverter. When unpacking the inverters, do not throw away the box. You'll need the barcode later to install the inverters with the app. Each inverter comes with a manual and 2 antennas. One is a Wi-Fi antenna and the other one is a megahertz antenna. The port on the right is the connector for the AC cable, and the 2 other ports are for the MC cords, the outer leads from the panels. Connect the first daisy chain cable to the AC output of the inverter. Now you're going to grab the second daisy chain cable and connect it to the first daisy chain cable. Attach the AC port to the inverter, and again plug the 2 MC4 connectors coming from the 2 200-watt panels to the inverter. Now grab the final AC cable and connect it to the back end of the last daisy chain cable. That's all there is to the wiring. Now you grab the end of the AC cable and just plug it into your outdoor outlet, and you're done. Once the light on the inverter turns blue, you're ready to go. So I've covered parts of my pergola with 1600 watts of solar panels. I used zip ties through the eyelets to securely mount them and glued them to the wooden 2x2s on the back. The leads that you see hanging down from the panels here are the ones that will actually connect to the inverters. Here you see the daisy chain cable going from inverter to inverter. It's 4 in total. And then I swing around the corner and get the 2 other inverters right here. Then that's the final AC cable, and it plugs into your outdoor outlet. Now install the Craftstrom app. Make sure CS Wi-Fi is available in your Wi-Fi settings. Those are the inverters showing up. And then you go back to the app. In your settings, go to Add New Device. Click on that. Then it prompts you to put in your Wi-Fi and password. Home Wi-Fi and password. Click on Add Panels, Gen 2. Scan the barcode on the packaging. Confirm. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. Pick CS Wi-Fi. Put in the password 12345678. Connect. Then you go back to your app. It's setting up. It's going to take a minute. Device setup is completed. There you go. And then you hit go to the dashboard and check that your panels are there. Now we get to the power meter that makes sure that you never backfeed onto the utility grid. All you're going to do is clamp the 2 main lines in the breaker box and run power to the power meter with the AC cord. It gives you a real-time value of your usage and has antennas as well. The installation is exactly the same as the inverters. You just pick amp meter and add the ID and you're good to go. And that's all there is to our products. They're all plug and play and report to the app so you see what's going on. Enjoy our products and have a great day.